What's up guys, welcome back, and today I want to do a video for the backpack mount for the Osmo Pocket and why it's a good idea to have it when you're traveling. Also, I'll show you guys the setup I'm using. This is the wireless module plus the accessory mount, and then I have a power bank to charge my Osmo Pocket. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so right here I got the wireless module for the Osmo Pocket, the official DJI one, as well as the accessory to mount the Osmo Pocket. Now right here, if you guys could see closely, I have the backpack mount by Polar Pro and a cable going down to my pocket, and I have a power bank right over here. So this whole setup is pretty much a need if you're traveling and you wanna record with your Osmo Pocket wirelessly. Alright guys, so a few reasons why you would want this setup is, let's say you're traveling and you just don't want to carry the Osmo Pocket the whole time. And the good thing is with the wireless module, you could move the camera. So let's say I want to record something on the right, but I still, walking straight, I could move it, and now I'm recording, well, I'm recording my mouth. That's not good. So right here, let's move to this side, and dots for opinion matters. That's our setup right there. And let's say I want to move back up and record, let's say, a sunset or something. You could. So it gives you a free ability to do it instead of carrying it. Now let me move back to the front, and that's DOS from Opinions Matter right here. That's our setup. He's recording me, recording you guys. But let's say I have a DSLR with me as well. How am I gonna hold the DSLR and an Osmo Pocket at the same time? So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put my phone away, but the Osmo Pocket is still recording. And let's say I want to take a picture with my DSLR.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel Opinions Matter. And see, that is the reason this whole setup is all about, so that you guys can get the like a kind of a dual picture of and try to understand how this camera backpack setup actually will help you. The good thing about the Osmo Pocket is that it can track and stuff like that, but the thing is that I personally think there is some sort of limitations to that Osmo Pocket. Tech 5, though, he's trying to direct, but the Sony camera is moving here and there. But the thing is that now we'll switch back to Tech 5.
So yeah, you guys saw. So now that everyone travels, usually have DSLR camera, and then they have a little action camera. Well, my action camera is the Osmo Pocket, and I want to record stuff on Osmo Pocket. Let's say I want to record a time lapse of me moving around, and I have a DSLR. This gives you room and freedom to do so. And if you guys actually look to the right, there's a squirrel standing on 2 feet right there, which is very interesting, and just chilling there in the grass. And yeah. So you see, the Osmo Pocket is recording that, and then I have a DSLR. So that's pretty much the why you would want this setup, and it's very easy. The power bank is recharging my Osmo Pocket the whole time, so I'm not running out of battery. And this power bank is 20,000 milliamps. That could power this Osmo Pocket. It's 675 milliamps, so 20 times. As well, that power bank has 2 USB outputs, so I could plug in my iPhone as well and have another cable going to it. Plus, I could power that camera. So 1 power bank, 3 devices. I mean, you're good to go. You're easy to travel, and you don't have to worry about anything. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video and the setup and how you should be traveling with the Osmo Pocket, and you got some ideas from this, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, click the notification bell so you get my latest videos when they come out, and don't forget to subscribe and comment below on maybe your setups. Send me some pictures, videos, and I'll check them out as well. I'll see you guys next time.